This oil saves my nails when I damage them, usually by wearing press-ons and being too impatient when I rip them off. What the most amazing thing about this oil is that it's really just vitamin E and it's super, super nourishing. All you want to do is paint it onto your fingernails, and it's really easy, just like any nail brush, and you don't have to worry about being too exacting. You just want to get it on every single nail. And once you get it on each nail, you'll want to get it on the underside or inside the nails as well, so all parts of the nail are covered. And then I just rub it in. It has a lovely smell. It's super moisturizing, and my nails look so much happier and healthier with it. Even though I cannot undo the damage I've done, this makes them look better and feel better until they finally grow out. And for that, I love Solar Oil's cuticle oil. It's really nice.